Do you ever feel that science is a drag because of all the formulas, all that biochemistry or the genetics or the cellular biology? But indeed there is a challenge with science. Yes, all those formulas do describe nature, do describe biology, but they can be so overwhelming that some of the real aspects of nature that we really connect with are overlooked. Suppose we saw this as everything that we knew about this person. And yet, that doesn't tell us about that person. Seeing the face of the person gives us a better idea of who they are. And it doesn't diminish the science, but it helps us understand and know that person. The same thing really applies to nature and biology. Having a face to nature really helps us connect with it. It helps us understand it better. Still, having a lot of faces of nature doesn't necessarily help us identify what's important. We need to organize all those faces. We need to organize the way we look at nature. Of course, one way of looking at it is separating plants from animals. Still, that doesn't break it down enough for us to really start to look at the details of nature and biology. So, suppose we just took animals, and in those animals we started looking at groups of animals. We can go further. Suppose we just take a group like mammals and looked at more specific names. So as we've drilled down to look at some of the specific types of animals and the names that we can give them, we start to really see the face of nature. If we don't have some idea of what those things are out there, nature becomes rather anonymous. And we want to start to give it a face to help that biology, to help that nature become more real and help us connect better with it.